Fabulous location in South Tyler. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home on a cul-de-sac is a hidden gem. Soaring ceilings and crown molding welcome you into this over 2,400 square foot home. This open floor plan offers an ease in entertaining or everyday living with adjacent dining room as well. The kitchen is equipped with an abundance of cabinetry and countertop space plus a pantry, and the den with fireplace has a wall of windows. The master bedroom with ensuite bath is complete with double vanity, separate shower and jetted tub, walk-in closet, and water closet. 3 additional bedrooms share a full hall bath. Fabulous storage throughout. The utility room completes the interior space. Outside enjoy the private, fully fenced backyard with 2 storage buildings and slab for a hot tub. Some updates include a new roof in 2020 and garage door opener plus wall console, control board, safety sensors, and 2 new remotes. Full list of updates and associated docs. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.